Advanced Repair has one goal: to provide high-quality auto repair. For over 20 years, we've provided honest and professional automotive repair to the community of St. Cloud and surrounding areas. The Advanced Repair team takes pride in
honesty and communication, because we respect you and your time.
Professionalism, because we're the pros and we're going to act like it.
Transparency, from pricing to expectations.
Reliability, in our work and in your car.
We're a family-run business, that's what we are. We've been in business for over 2 decades. We provide high-quality auto care with honesty and transparency.
When you walk in, you'll know you're in good hands when you're greeted with a smile from somebody that's not only knowledgeable in your automotive needs, but also cares about your car.
Upon inspection of your vehicle, you'll receive a transparent report on everything important, including what does and doesn't need attention. We'll mark in green what looks good, in yellow things we suggest receive attention, and in red things we suggest immediate maintenance on. And you'll have our notes and photos documenting everything.
It's important to us that you understand not just the what, but the why of our work on your vehicle.
We love what we do because of our customers and the relationships that we've built over the years. Having been awarded a top 10 Minnesota repair shop and being a NAPA Gold Certified Auto Care Center are 2 things we are extremely proud of. But
the thing we take most pride in is the relationships that we built with our customers.
the same customers we had when we started our business are still with us today. We're seeing second-generation customers.
And that's important because our community trusts us. They trust us to be a good automotive shop, but more importantly, good people.
We have instilled that sense of community and the importance of relationships into Joe and Adam. They are continuing what we started. We are so excited to watch Advanced Repair grow.
Advanced Repair is your trusted automotive repair center in the St. Cloud area. Advanced Repair, where trust meets results.